The West is intensifying efforts to reduce its reliance on China for rare earth elements. Vital components in electric vehicles, military equipment and high-tech industries. Despite advancements in recycling and alternative sourcing, China remains the dominant player, controlling 69% of global rare earth mining and over 90% of refined production for critical elements. Rare earths are essential for modern technologies. A typical electric vehicle contains about 550 grams of rare earth elements, significantly more than traditional gas-powered cars. As EV adoption grows, demand for these minerals is rising. However, in the US, EV sales remain sluggish, and with political pushback on EV mandates, demand growth has slowed. Meanwhile, China continues to lead in EV adoption, with more than half of new car sales being electric or hybrid. Recycling is emerging as a key strategy in the West, where along EVs and electronics are creating a potential supply of domestically controlled rare earths. Some startups and automakers are investing in processes to recover these elements from end-of-life product. However, recycling remains technically complex, costly, and limited by the availability of recyclable material. Geopolitical tensions are compounding the challenge. China has imposed export restrictions on several rare earths and other critical minerals, requiring government approval for overseas sales. Now, these controls have affected material, many of which are vital to the defense and semiconductor sectors. Western nations are also trying to develop their own mining and processing infrastructure, but such projects take years to become operational. Meanwhile, China continues to expand its influence not only through raw material dominance, but also via control over refining and manufacturing supply chains. The military sector underscores the strategic importance of rare earths. For instance, advanced US fighter jets require hundreds of pounds of these materials. Other critical minerals like tungsten, used in batteries, weapons and industrial tools, are also dominated by China, which supplied 80% of the global tungsten in 2024. But although recycling and new mining ventures offer long-term potential, the West remains vulnerable in the near term, according to experts. China's grip on rare earths and critical minerals continues to pose significant economic and national security challenges, leaving Western industries with limited short-term alternatives.